Hi, this is Matt from Lost Creek Machine. This is a clean Harig Super 612. It has a 1 horsepower 220/440 motor. It has a Magnalock 6x12 magnetic chuck with a control. About 10 thousandths in the Y. It has the cable system for the X, and that feels tight. Cabinet underneath. Chuck works, and the variable speed control works. And this has the automatic lubrication system with the pump in the back. So when I start this up, that sight glass should fill up if it's working. So that's good, nice and quiet. Thanks for looking.